Welcome to Cyber Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of music production software. Whether you're an aspiring musician, a budding producer, or a seasoned professional, having the right software is crucial for creating and editing exceptional music tracks. So, let's get started. The power of music production software. Music production software is the backbone of modern music creation. It provides a digital playground where your musical ideas come to life. With the right software, you have access to a vast array of virtual instruments, effects, and recording tools that enable you to compose, arrange, record, edit, and mix your tracks with precision and finesse. Whether you're a solo artist, a band member, or a producer working with other musicians, the right software can make all the difference in achieving professional quality results. Key considerations when choosing music production software. Secondly, consider your workflow preferences. Some software options excel in live performance and improvisation, while others focus on composition and arrangement. It's essential to find software that aligns with your preferred workflow and enhances your productivity. Lastly, compatibility and integration are crucial. Look for software that seamlessly integrates with your existing hardware, plugins, and digital audio workstations. This allows you to expand your sonic palette and work seamlessly with other musicians and producers. Ableton Live, the versatile music production hub. Our first software recommendation is Ableton Live, a powerhouse in the music production world. Ableton Live is renowned for its versatility and user-friendly interface, making it a top choice for musicians and producers across genres. Ableton Live offers a unique session view for live performance and an arrangement view for composition and mixing. It provides an extensive library of virtual instruments, effects, and MIDI capabilities, giving you access to a world of sounds and sonic possibilities. The software seamlessly integrates with external hardware and plugins, allowing you to customize your setup and explore new sonic territories. Whether you're creating electronic music, rock, pop, or any other genre, Ableton Live empowers you to bring your musical vision to life. FL Studio. Unleash your electronic music creativity. If you're an electronic music enthusiast, our second recommendation, FL Studio, is tailored just for you. FL Studio, formerly known as Fruity Loops, has gained a dedicated following for its powerful workflow and intuitive interface. FL Studio provides a comprehensive set of virtual instruments, effects, and patterns, allowing you to craft intricate and polished electronic music tracks. Its step sequencer and piano roll make it incredibly easy to create melodies, chords, and beats. With support for MIDI controllers and an extensive library of plugins and samples, FL Studio enables you to experiment, innovate, and create unique sounds that define your musical style. Whether you're a producer, DJ, or electronic musician, FL Studio is a game-changer in unleashing your electronic music creativity. Logic Pro X. Professional-grade excellence for Apple users. For Apple users seeking professional-grade excellence, our third recommendation is Logic Pro X. Logic Pro X is a powerful music production software that offers a comprehensive package for creating and editing music tracks. With its sleek and intuitive interface, Logic Pro X streamlines the music production process. It includes an extensive collection of virtual instruments, effects, and sound libraries, covering a wide spectrum of musical genres. Advanced MIDI editing capabilities allow for precise manipulation and refinement of your musical performances. The software also includes comprehensive mixing tools and industry-standard audio processing plugins, ensuring your final mix is polished and sonically pleasing. Logic Pro X seamlessly integrates with Apple's ecosystem, allowing you to harness the power of other Apple devices and software. Whether you're a professional musician, composer, or producer, Logic Pro X provides the tools you need for creating exceptional music tracks. We've reached the end of our comprehensive guide on the best PC software for music production. Whether you choose Ableton Live, FL Studio, Logic Pro X, or any other software that aligns with your preferences, remember that the true magic lies within your creativity and dedication. Leverage the powerful features and intuitive interfaces of these software options to shape your musical vision. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more music production tips and inspiration. Happy music making!